35 to 50% of the absenteeism amongst assembly operators can be related to musculoskeletal disorders, which are caused by performing repetitive or heavy assembly tasks in a non-ergonomical way. A lot of these issues can be resolved by making sure the operator follows the correct assembly procedure. Integrating ergonomics information and guidelines in the digital work instructions can help operators to work in the right way. Flanders Make has developed a new digital work instruction system which adapts the instructions to potential task-related risks identified by monitoring the operator's ergonomics in real time and effectively reducing the average rapid entire body assessment or REBA score for manual assembly. How good does that feel?